battery pack consists of 17 accessories. 1. Battery case includes bottom case, front bracket, 2 pieces top brackets, front panel, and top cover. 2. 10 pieces embossing boards. 3. 2 pieces PCB boards. 4. 2 pieces matching EVA tape. 5. 1 pieces weak electric switch. 6. 1 pieces 48-volt 16 series BMS. 7. 2 pieces BMS wires. 8. 1 pieces LCD screen. 9. 1 pieces LCD screen wire. 10. 4 pieces bottom cap. 11. Battery terminal with 4 pieces parallel plus terminal and parallel minor terminal. 12. Long flexible bus bars with 5 pieces BMS connection. 13. Flexible bus bars with 15 pieces cells connection. 14. 4 pieces handles. 15. 4 pieces upper and lower latch locks. 16. 26 pieces EVA tape between cells. 17. Other small accessories. Fastened 4 pieces bottom pads with 10 pieces M4 screws. Fasten the handles and the lower and upper latch locks with 8 pieces and 4 screws on each side. Put on the opposite balls. Test the cells, make sure the voltage is consistent. Stick on the EVA tape. Please notice, if your cells are swollen, we don't recommend sticking the EVA tapes on. Put the cells one by one. Each cell has 1 opposite ball between. Attention! Make sure the cells are in the right place. Fasten the front brackets with silver 8 pieces and 4 screws. Use EVA tape at the bottom of the bracket. Attention! Put the A board on the left, B board on the right side. Use 10 pieces and 4 screws to fasten the brackets. Put on the flexible bus bars and the flat nuts. Fasten with 6.4 Nm or 7 Nm. Made the displacement marks. Notice, displacement marks are recommended to check every 6 months. Make sure the mark is moved. Fasten 4 pieces terminals. Use 12 pieces L4 screws. Fasten the BMS with 8 pieces and 3 screws. Put on the fuse holder. Fasten with 5 pieces and 4 screws. Put on the fuse. Fasten the flexible bus bars. Fasten LCD screen with 8 pieces and 3 screws. Install switch wire. Put on the flexible bus bars. Connect the switch and screen. Connect 2 BMS wires, black and white. Use black 8 pieces and 4 screws. Fasten the front panel. Connection order. Please follow the connection orders to avoid the shorts. Download the app and menu. Click the switch to see if the system can be turned on. Connect with Bluetooth at the app. Account, admin, password 111111. You can set up the system with setting password 111111. You can also set up the system on PC. Fasten the top panel with 8 pieces and 4 screws.